everyone, this is Maurice. Today I'm going to make binignit. Maghimo ko og binignit. For those of you who do not know what binignit, it's actually a very popular heavy snack for Filipinos. It's called binignit in Visayan region, but it's also called different names in the other regions of the Philippines. So what it is actually it's like a soup, but it's thick because we put glutinous. My version, I'm gonna use glutinous rice, and I'm not gonna use the bilo-bilo. We call it in Tagalog, which is a glutinous, like they use glutinous flour and tapioca pearls, yams, plantain, bananas. So the first thing you want to do is if you buy a cooked tapioca pearls or sago, you can buy it at some Filipino store. But if you don't have the cooked one, you have the dried one. First thing is you have to cook the tapioca pearls. Okay? So now we are going to cook the binignit. While we're waiting for the tapioca, it's soaking right now, so let's start cooking the binignit. Okay, first we're gonna cook the glutinous rice. 1 cup water. And a can of coconut milk. Let it simmer. Do not let it boil. Just simmer. Add a little bit of water. So here it is. We're gonna try it. A little hot. It's good. Not too sweet. I don't like it when it's too sweet, you know. Just perfect. Banana's good. This is the ube. Yummy. Thanks for watching.